Open the Amazon Movers and Shakers page. This is Amazon's 24-hour list of fastest rising bestsellers. You can browse rankings across many different categories. Let's pick one category at random. Now, let's start extracting data from this list. First, create a new recipe. Drag the extract data block onto the canvas. Next, set the row selector by selecting a product item on the page. We can directly select one of the products. It will automatically find similar products. Found 30 here. Add the first column, rank. Add the second column, rank change. Add the third column, title. Add the fourth column, star rating. Let's trim the value a bit to clean it up. Add the fifth column, review count. Add the sixth column, price. Add the seventh column, image. Add the 8th column, link. Find the A element. There is a problem here. Only one link is extracted. Let's adjust it. Because its ID is bound to a product, it needs to be turned off. It's fine now. Add the 9th column, ASIN. Let's rearrange the columns a bit for better structure. Now add the final column, scrape time, to record the exact time of data collection. Get the current time, and then format it. That's it, we're done setting up. Let's rename the recipe and save it. Now, run it and see what happens. Awesome! The data was scraped successfully. At this point, you have learned how to collect Amazon best-selling lists. But if you look closely, you'll notice the data is incomplete at first. That's because the page needs to scroll down to load more items. Let's handle that next. Add a scroll page block. It should scroll to the bottom of the page before scraping the data. Next, we want it to automatically go to the next page. Add a click element block to click the next button. And then wait for the page to fully load. Wrap these blocks in a loop block to repeat the action. Set the number of loops, which can be understood as the number of page navigations. Let's run it and see how it works. Refresh to reset this page. To easily check data, clear out all data. Oh, it seems to be stuck here. Finally, it completed. 92 rows of data were scraped. As you can see, it looks like it got stuck. Let's check the log to find out what happened. After loading page 2, it couldn't find the next button. Let's handle that edge case. In the click element block, when it cannot find the target element, it will throw an error. So, let's break out of the loop when an error occurs. In this case, it can be considered to stop navigating to the next page. Next, let's add a little delay to make the whole process run smoother and more stable. After scrolling is complete, delay 1 second before extracting data. This is to wait for the data to be fully loaded. Avoid missing out. Let's run it one more time. Navigate back to the first page. Okay, now it's running much more smoothly and successfully scraped 100 rows of data. Right now, we still need to manually open this page before starting the recipe, which isn't ideal. If you want the recipe to open the page automatically, here's how to do it. Follow along with me. Add the new tab block, and then drag the following blocks into it. Just set the link to the page. Okay, let's run it again. As you can see, it opens a new page, collects data, and automatically closes when it is finished.